In this video, I'm going to show you the most important security plugins in WordPress. First of all, head to the plugins and click on add new. After that, you'll be prompted with this page. In this page, search for the following. The most important plugin to install is Sucuri Security. Type it as like this, and now click on this specific plugin. As you can see, this is a very good plugin as it have activity auditing, file integrity monitoring, remote malware scanning, a block list monitoring as well, effective security hardening, and a lot of other features. Plus, it's the most used one. As you can see right here on the left side, I can click on dashboard and I will be prompted with this page. In this page, I can view everything from modified stuff. As you can see right here, HSF flag, htaccess.bk, and as you can see right here, there's also audit logs, links, scripts that are added. As you can see, the core WordPress files has not been modified, and this plugin can literally tell you if your website has been hacked or not. And it's also telling us that the site is clean, no malicious JavaScript, no malicious scripts installed as well, no block list, and there's also some recommendations on the right corner right here. And that's basically it, guys.